This is the external structure of heart. Upper part is called as atrium, and atrium is divided into two parts: left atrium, right atrium. Lower part is called as ventricle, right ventricle, left ventricle. Aorta. This is called as aorta. This is pulmonary trunk. Coronary sinus. Coronary sinus present between atrioventricular groove. Right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. Aorta, superior vena cava. Coronary sinus. Question: write down the neat and label diagram of external structure of heart.